Hello friends, in this question we have to arrange the given compounds in decreasing order of aromaticity. So here all are 3-membered cyclopropene ring with positive charge. And we know from the Huckel theory that 3-membered ring with positive charge is aromatic, but stability of this positive charge inside the ring depends upon the stability of the negative charge outside the ring if anything is attached to it, something like this. Alright, so here what we have to think is, here we can say that aromatic character is directly proportional to the stability of negative charge outside the ring. This outcome we can draw. Now we have to check the stability of negative charge to compare the aromatic character in the given compounds. So we'll see the first compound. First compound is this, and here the charge separation will be in this way, that negative charge will come to the 1 degree carbon and this positive charge will come here, so that the ring becomes aromatic in nature. Fine. Now we'll see the second one. Second one we'll see, in this case there is oxygen, so oxygen is more electronegative and this electron will shift like this, and in this ring it will shift. We'll compare it later. First we'll draw all the possibilities. In the third case, how it will happen? See, I need to, and this will shift like this. See, negative charge and this positive charge. And in the fourth case, what you will see here is, this will be cyanide. In this case, the shifting of charge will take place in this way. Positive charge, CH, C, and Cn. Fine. And negative charge will be here. Now, this part is common in all the cases. This one. So what we have to compare is the stability of this negative charge outside the ring. Okay. So in the first case, we will see it is 1 degree carbanion. In this, the oxygen has the negative charge, which is stabilized by the withdrawing nature of the oxygen. So this will be the more stable as compared to the negative charge on the carbon, because oxygen is more reactive as compared to the carbon. In the third case, we will see this carbon ion, this which is 3 degree, is destabilized by minus I. Negative inductive effect will work here and will destabilized by the minus I of the 2 methyl group. Sorry, it will destabilize by the plus I of the 2 methyl groups, which will be the less stable carbon ion. In the next case, we can see here the negative charge is in resonance with cyanide ion and it will form like this. So it will be CH, C, double bond N. Also negative charge is coming on the nitrogen, which is more electronegative, and this will form like this. But the problem here is, this structure it is forming is less stable because it has cumulative double bond. So it is less stable as compared to the negative charge on the oxygen. Alright, so now we have all the possibilities in front of us and we can draw the final outcome, that what will be the order. So final order, if I will see, what will be the final order? We can say the final order, most stable will be the second one, then next will be the fourth one, then next will be the first one, because the third one is the least one. Why? Because it is destabilized, not only stabilized, but it's not only getting stabilized, it is destabilized. So this will be the final order. Again we'll see the question. This is the question. In this question we have to arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of aromaticity. So aromatic character we have seen is directly proportional to the stability of negative charge outside the ring, because the positive charge thing is already present in all the cases, which is similar. So we have to arrange the following compounds in the increasing stability of negative charge, which is present outside the ring. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you.